Hey guys! Oh shit, wrong way. I hate makeup! Look at this! Oh, it's my eye. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? I can hear you. I'm gonna record myself. Look at that. It's me recording myself. Oh my god, there was a flash. Oh, don't worry, I'm just recording myself. You can keep hiding. Really? You wanna be in it? I have makeup, and now I don't. Bop bop! Budingeru. Or as Wild Chase would say, Barongaroo! I seriously want to name my Budingeru Barongaroo. Hey guys, it's Mklachu. So as you can see, I'm very bored and summer is treating me quite well. So I decided to wear makeup, as you saw, and make a lot of weird noises, as you heard. I'm vlogging with Torn. See, Torn, say hi. Yeah, it's a great way to greet people. It's because I'm bored, and so is he. Wait, did I just say vlogging with Torn? I'm just chatting with him. V-chatting. It's not vlogging. There's a difference. Look at me, Torn! Look at me! Ah. Hi. Come on, you can do more than that. Oh, your volume's really low. Speak.
Ruff.
I didn't say bark, you bitch. I said speak.
Hi.
Okay, hi. Hey guys, it's Snowflake. All I do is meow. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Meow. 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 Hey Torn, do you have anything to say to Snowflake?
Shut up, Snowflake!
Aww, sad
I
face.
need water after this.
Okay.
I want to need like gallons of water after that.
Time to talk shit about Torn. Hello? 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 Hey! Listen! Hey! Listen! Hey! Listen! Hola! 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 Oi! Escucha! Oi! Escucha! Oi! Escucha! Hey! Contale! Hey! Contale! Hey! Contale! Ne! Kite! Ne! Kite! Ne! Kite! Hello! 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 Stop it! I have a confession to make. I am a narcissist. Like, I know I'm supposed to look straight at the camera like this and be like, hey guys, it's Mklachu and whatnot, but I just like looking at the screen right there because I like looking at myself and how beautiful I could potentially be. I'm just kidding. But no, I am quite the narcissist. I mean, look how much effort I had to put to like try to look at the camera. I keep looking that way because the camera is just, I don't like looking straight at a black hole. I'd rather look at myself than a black hole. That sounds really disgusting. But yes, I am a narcissist, and that is my confession. What is a confession you have to make? Oh, please don't answer that. Why do I have so much hair? Okay, it's not that much. It's just really thick. Okay. Hi.